Want to know the secret for continuous improvement in your sales process? Let's leverage customer feedback. I'm Rudy, and it's time to sell. Today, we're diving into how customers' feedback can be a game changer for your sales strategy. Let's explore how to gather, analyze, and implement feedback to drive continuous improvement. First, let's talk about gathering feedback. Use surveys, interviews, and direct conversations to collect insights from your customer. Regularly ask for feedback after key interactions, like after purchase or support call. For instance, I send a quick survey after closing a deal to understand what went well and what could be improved. Next, categorize and analyze the feedback you receive. Identify common themes and areas for improvement. Tools like sentiment analysis can help gauge overall customer satisfaction. I remember when we used sentiment analysis in our CRM to highlight areas where our customers were most and least satisfied, which provide actionable insights. Now, it's time to act on the feedback. Implement necessary changes to your product, sales process, or customer service. You can prioritize the changes and improvement based on your customer AOV, annual order value, size of product mix. For example, if they are using one solution or multiple solutions on your platform. Keep your customer informed about the changes you have implemented based on their feedback. This not only shows you value their input, but it also builds trust. For example, after receiving feedback for an onboarding process, we revamped it to make it smoother and more user-friendly. Closing the loop is crucial. Follow up with your customer to let them know how their feedback has been used. This reinforces their value and encourages continued engagement. I make it a point to personally reach out to customers who provided feedback, thanking them and explaining the improvements we've made or not implemented yet, and if possible, why. So, would you mind sharing your thoughts on how you implement continuous feedback from your customers in the comment section? What tools and strategies have you found most effective? Your feedback will help us all improve our sales and make it a better experience for our customers. Therefore, in one of my experience, we discussed using NPS, Net Promoter Score, to gauge customer loyalty, and it significantly improved our approach, as we had something to refer to. Even though it was not the best metric, so in the end, we chose another one. From what I can remember, it was the CSAT. Leveraging customer feedback involves gathering, analyzing, implementing, and following up. By integrating these steps to your sales strategy, you can continuously improve and stay ahead of the competition. Remember, your customers are your best source of improvement. What methods have you used to gather and act on customer feedback? Share your experience and tips in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to like, share, and follow. As usual, it's time to sell.